Hi guys, Willie here from Agile Performance. We're going to run you through today a new product, adjustable front lower control arms for a Toyota Celica GT4. As we can see here, we've got the first production set. These are ready for sale. So we're going to run you through what they do, how they work, and we're going to install them in the car and show you what's involved with that. So our arms have got several advantages over factory style arms. First of all, we've got camber adjustment. So this works here by moving the bottom of the wheel out to either gain or remove camber. Now this is done with this adjuster here, so it doesn't need to come off the car, it's all done in situ. As well as camber, we have a bar here which gets wound in and out to adjust the caster. Again, this can be done on the car and doesn't need to be taken off. Furthermore, we have adjustable sway bar mounts. This allows you to have an adjustable sway bar rate without having to buy an adjustable sway bar. Now you will require a new sway bar link sold separately. Personally, for my rally car, I don't use a sway bar, but everyone's got their own preference. So this arm here is one of our early prototypes. We've been through several iterations and much development process to come up with the final design. We've discovered a few issues and a few things that we'd want to change along the way. As with any development process, these ones here have been through 4 rallies without any issues. They've gone over jumps, the occasional off-road excursion, and the usual rally adventures, and we're very confident that these will handle any abuse thrown at it. Installation is very simple. We've put the stock arm back into my car, so we're going to remove it and put in the new one to show you how it's done. So we'll go through the adjustment procedure. So as you can see, the arm's in place, everything's bolted up. So this is the camber adjustment. We simply get a spanner on there. This is winding it out, it's going to give us more negative camber. 2 lock nuts here. We want to make sure that this rose joint here is nice and straight up and down when we lock it off. Like so. This caster bar here is adjusted with a 27mm spanner on this flat at this end. We can wind it by hand at the moment. Just a note, if you want to run a lot of positive caster, these sway bar links may not work, so you may need custom items at that point, but it will work for most caster settings. And again, lock nuts at each end. Very simple. Any questions about these, feel free to contact the Agile Facebook page or send us an email. I'll be available on our website soon, and we're taking orders currently. Cheers.